Hi there, welcome back. Today we are making salsa for chips. I used red tomatoes, green tomatoes, jalapenos, serranos, garlic, and onion. I put all the vegetables on a hot skillet to roast. I added all the vegetables to the blender. I needed to do this twice because my blender is not big enough. This was for a party, so I needed to make a lot of salsa that day. After everything was blended, I added all of that salsa to a big bowl and mixed it real nice. And I added more salt, pepper, and oregano just to make sure that the flavor was there. At this point, you gotta be trying to see if it's salty or whatever so that you can fix it. It was a pretty nice big batch for a really nice party. So everybody liked it. I mean, I had a lot of people complimenting me on how good it was. So I'm telling you right now, this salsa is legit, y'all, okay? You gotta try it. I added all these chopped up vegetables to the salsa: green onions, purple onions, cilantro, and tomatoes. Next, I added lemon juice and lime juice to the salsa. This salsa turned out so good. It was so chunky, perfect for chips. So please try it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.